Hello everybody, we are starting this video already third time. First time my brother phoned, second time something happened again and I needed to restart the video. So this is the third time how we're starting this video, and today is on review special model. It's gonna be a Renault Alpine A110 rally version one. I get the model kit from one person who built this model, and we're gonna start review from magazines. I will not gonna show all magazines, but here is a whole set of them. Whole set. And model is already pre-built, but I will just gonna start from first. We're gonna show what type of model is. So today on a review is gonna be this model. It's in full metal diecast, and when you're getting one magazine, you're getting small bits of this model. Each magazine have its own parts, and here is a full selection of them. Plus, with this kit was been going like this mechanic figurines, so they are quite big, one and another. And now this I will gonna put on a side, and now the model itself. When I came to the person, I've never been expecting that he will gonna take out for me a box and gonna show me this model. I've been thinking 1/8 scale is a quite small, no, comparably small models, but I get it. This beast! You can imagine how was been my surprise when I see this model, and when I pull it up, it's extra heavy. It's approximately 5 to 6 kilo model weight, made out of full metal die-cast, pre-painted body and all parts. And we will gonna go around. Here is a lots of features. This model is contains a lots of features, and all of them I will gonna show you today. So from all sides, that's the front. It's heavy, it's very heavy. Sides, here is a number 9. I will gonna need to reglue numbers, because when this person been applying, he put wrong, he put right drivers but wrong numbers. Here supposed to be number 28, but this is not a big deal. I have the stickers. I have the stickers in stock. Where are they? Ah, here they are, no far. That's the stickers, what I will gonna need to reapply. So this number must be, so obviously that's the numbers what I will gonna need to apply apart this. So that's not a big deal. Because with these numbers I've been driving two different drivers. And let's start from the bottom. I will gonna flip it on a side, and you can see how underneath is everything is seeable. gearbox, engine, all this leather, all metal die cast. Suspension is working itself, turning, very detailed. All is made out of metal. It's not plastic, everything is metal, screwed with proper metal screws. So that's underneath. Interior is extra detailed. So what is surprised me, you can have a look for an interior. You see how detailed. Seats are moving, there and back, they're moving. All the stripes is made out of material. Seats are rubber. What has surprised me, that doors, even doors have special features. So if you will gonna rotate, the windows gonna retract up and down. Yeah. So retractable windows. Here is a, I'm not too sure if this is removing. No, I think it's not removing. We're gonna leave it as it is. We're not gonna touch. So at the back is an engine bay. Engine is extra detailed, absolutely amazing looking. All made out of metal. All parts, everything is was being pre-painted, and everything is made out of metal. Not even a small bit of plastic here. All tiny screws, everything is metal. Here, other side of the car, also the same. Windows is retracting with the handle. Front of the car have also extra, everything is extra detailed, exactly like on a real car. Lights, fog lights, everything. Inside is a spare wheel. Inside, jack, cap is opening, jack is removing here, and wheel is removing. Here is a tiny jack, and also a removing wheel. Here it is. That's a spare wheel. And under the spare wheel you can see battery. So that's the model itself. Plus this model have special features like glowing lights. When you want to switch on interior lights, here is a button on top. So you're switching on, yeah, and the lights are inside the car is switching on, yeah. If you want to switch on front lights, here is a silver button inside. You can see the silver button inside. When you're pressing, switching on front lights. So like that. also together with this switching on backlights. This is a back gear lights. They are switching on when you're pressing on a gear knob. When you're pressing on a gear knob, the lights at the back is also switching on. And even if you're pressing on a brake pedal in car, yeah, you can see the brake lights are switching on. This model person been building over a year, because each month he's been getting one magazine, and today I purchased this one and making a review. It was been, you can't imagine how was been surprised when I get at this model. It's absolutely amazing detalization. It looks like real car, but in small scale. I think I showed, I wanted to show how this mechanics should look beside the car. So one of the mechanics, it's supposed to stay like that, and another mechanic is staying beside wheel like that. So they are going together with the car, and that's how it's gonna be previewed when it's gonna be staying on my shelf. But this is a extra detailed model. This is a real surprise for me, and I'm quite happy with the purchase. And it's, when I buy it and I feel it myself like I steal this car, because I get it for the right price. As each like this magazine, they're coming from France. This kit, Ixo kit, is going from France, and each of these magazines price is almost 60 euro. So, and here is a magazines for 1,600 pounds. So obviously this model is cost, if to take by magazine, 1,600 pounds. So it's a quite expensive model. My real Toyota what I'm driving was being cost only 1,200 pounds. So this model is way expensive than my car. And I have in my collection now this beauty. You can't imagine, I'm like a kid on a Christmas. So please leave it comments down below what you think about this model, and it's gonna be in the future more other videos. For today I'm done. Have a good day, and bye bye guys.